In this video, I'll detail how to fix not receiving notifications on Instagram. So if you have an Instagram on your iPhone and you discover that you are not receiving notifications on the Instagram application until you open the Instagram app just like this, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if you're done with this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do, when you want to fix not receiving notifications on Instagram, is open the settings app on your iPhone, just like this. Then you want to click on the Instagram application. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier version, for iOS 18, click on apps, and then you want to scroll down until you get to Instagram, and then click on it. So this is similar for all iOS 17 users when you click on Instagram on the settings page. Now click on notifications. Under notifications, make sure notifications is turned on. Then turn this on. Now you want to scroll down and turn on where you want to receive your Instagram notifications on your iPhone. Is it on lock screen? When your iPhone screen is locked, like this, or on notification center when you scroll down, like this, or even on banners, like this, like the Gmail or Facebook or even Snapchat. Then you can even select everything to turn on the three notifications. Now my banner style is persistent. Then you want to scroll down, come down to show preview, and check when unlocked. So with this, you're able to see your Instagram notification preview when unlocked. And if you choose always, this is not going to show the Instagram notification preview. Never show the Instagram notification preview. So once you're done with this, there is one more feature you need to turn on so that you'll be able to receive Instagram notifications on your iPhone. Is background app refresh. Just go ahead and turn this on like this. So if this is not enabled, you should not be able to receive Instagram notifications on your iPhone without opening the Instagram app like this. However, if you're unable to turn on background app refresh on Instagram page, just go back to your iPhone settings page. On the settings page, scroll down, click on general, then scroll down until you get to background app refresh. Then scroll down here and locate Instagram. Then toggle on background app refresh. However, if in your own case, you have the background app refresh turned off just like this, you just need to click on background app refresh, click on Wi-Fi or mobile data, so that whenever you turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data, your apps will refresh its background automatically. Then scroll down and locate Instagram. Then turn this on. So whenever you have a notifications on your Instagram application, then you'll be notified on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily or basically fix not receiving notifications on Instagram on iPhone. So if you found this relevant informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.